What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do some stainless today. I'm not going to do it very often, but when I do, I really do enjoy it. To show what I got going on. First pass. Get the second pass here before long. Show you what it looks like after. This is the first step. Well, here's my second and final pass on it. What do y'all think? Now onto the flange. I gotta take about 4 passes to get that one done. Alrighty, well, got the flange on here, stacked up. Load it out. Probably takes about 3, maybe 4 passes. I will go all the way out to the lip. I'm actually fairly happy with the way that turned out, though. That ended up looking really nice. But anyways, I'll take little videos probably of each step, of each pass. Alrighty, did my first pass. Do the second one. Alrighty, well, here's the second pass. On to the third. Alrighty, well, here's the finished product. Turned out pretty nice. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm hoping to post more as I can, but